Hey there! Welcome back to another fun lesson. Did you know having a running buddy makes exercise so much easier? In today's chat, two friends plan their first morning run by the river.
You'll learn natural expressions for making plans, sharing tips, and motivating each other.
Lace up your shoes and let's get going.
Hey, are you busy this weekend?
Not really. Why?
I've been thinking about exercising.
Oh, yeah? What kind?
Running. I want to start running.
Running? Seriously?
Yeah, I need a running buddy.
Wait, are you asking me?
Of course. Let's run together.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, come on. It'll be so fun.
Fine. Let me think about it.
Don't think, just say yes.
Okay, I'm in.
Really? Yay! That's amazing.
Yeah, I need exercise anyway.
I already found a great park.
Oh, really? Which one?
The one by the river.
Oh, that's a nice spot.
Right? It has a running track.
Nice. How long is it?
About 3 kilometers.
Wow, that's kind of far.
We can start with just 1K.
Yeah, let's start small.
So when should we start?
How about this Saturday?
Saturday morning? Sounds perfect.
What time, though?
How about 7 a.m.?
7? On Saturday? No way!
Too early for you?
Yeah, way too early.
Fine. How about 8 then?
8 works for me.
Great. Do you have running shoes?
I have some old sneakers.
You should get proper running shoes.
Are they really that important?
Definitely. Bad shoes hurt your knees.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And you need good socks, too.
Wow, even the socks matter.
Yeah, they prevent blisters.
All right, I'll get everything ready.
Do you use any running apps?
No, never tried one.
I use one. It tracks everything.
Like what?
Distance, pace, calories burned.
Oh, that sounds pretty useful.
It really keeps me motivated.
Yeah, I need that too.
We can set goals together.
What kind of goals?
Like running 5K in a month.
Oh, that sounds doable, actually.
Right? We just can't give up.
Yeah, I'll try not to give up.
We'll get in shape in no time.
Yeah, I really need to get in shape.
What if I can't keep up with you?
Sure, I'll slow down for you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What if I can't keep up, though?
I'll wait for you. No worries.
Deal.
Have you ever run regularly?
Yeah, I used to run in high school.
Oh, really? Were you fast?
Not really, but I enjoyed it.
That's what matters.
What about you?
I tried last year, but I gave up.
Huh, that's pretty honest.
But this time will be different.
Because we're doing it together?
Exactly. Having a partner helps so much.
Yeah, I get that.
Should we bring water bottles?
Definitely. Staying hydrated is key.
I have a running belt for that.
Oh, nice. What's that?
It holds your phone and water.
Oh, that's pretty handy.
We should also make a playlist.
Good idea. Music helps a lot.
What kind of music do you like?
Anything with a good beat.
Me too. Upbeat songs are the best.
We'll feel like we can run forever.
Oh, and we should stretch before.
Yeah, stretching is really important.
I watched some great videos on it.
Oh, send me those too.
Of course. I'll share everything.
You're really prepared for this.
I've been excited all week.
Ha, I can tell.
So, Saturday at 8. By the river?
Yeah, at the park entrance.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Got it. Anything else?
Just bring a good attitude.
Huh, I'll try my best.
This is going to be so much fun.
Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to it.
Hey there, English learners. Glad you're back. Have you ever liked someone but were too scared to tell them? We've all been there. Today's conversation is all about that feeling. You'll learn how to talk about crushes and ask for advice. Let's listen and find some courage together.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
I need your advice on something.
Of course. Go ahead.
It's about a guy I like.
Oh, okay. I'm listening.
I've liked him for a while now.
Really? How long?
About 3 months, I think.
Whoa, that's a long time.
I know, right? It's been so hard.
So, what do you want to do?
I want to confess my feelings.
Oh, seriously? That's big.
I know. I'm so nervous.
Yeah, that makes sense.
What if he doesn't feel the same?
That's always a possibility.
I'm so scared. Honestly.
Yeah, I totally get that.
Have you ever confessed to someone?
Actually, yeah, once before.
Really? What happened?
She turned me down.
Oh no, that's so sad.
It was tough, but I survived.
Wow, you're so brave.
Not really. I was super nervous too.
So, how did you feel after?
Honestly, relieved.
Relieved? Really?
Yeah, the wondering finally stopped.
I see. That makes sense.
Not knowing is the worst part.
That sounds exactly like me right now.
Right? You should just tell him.
But what if I lose him as a friend?
Are you guys close?
We talk almost every day.
Interesting. What do you talk about?
Everything. Music, food, movies, plans.
Nice. That's a lot of topics.
I know. We never run out of things.
Does he text you first sometimes?
Actually, yeah, pretty often.
Oh, that's definitely a good sign.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, guys don't text for no reason.
Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy.
Don't get too excited yet, though.
Why not?
You need more signs to be sure.
Like what?
Does he act different around you?
He smiles a lot when we talk.
Okay, that's another good sign.
Wow, really? 2 good signs?
Yeah, but he could just be friendly.
That's what I'm worried about.
I know, that's the tricky part.
My friend says he likes me too.
Oh, really? Which friend?
The one from our cooking class.
What did she notice?
She said he always looks at me.
Interesting. That could mean something.
Or she could be totally wrong.
True, but still worth considering.
I go back and forth every single day.
Same here. I was just like that.
No way. You too?
Yeah, I kept going back and forth.
So what finally made you do it?
I just got tired of wondering.
Tired of wondering? That makes sense.
And I didn't want to regret it later.
That's so true. I feel the same way.
Then you already know what to do.
Okay, I think I'll tell him this weekend.
Sounds good. Where are you thinking?
Maybe the cafe we always go to.
Nice. That's a comfortable spot.
What if I freeze up, though?
Just be yourself. Keep it simple.
Keep it simple. Okay, I'll try.
You've got this. Seriously.
Thanks so much. I feel way better now.
Anytime. Let me know how it goes.